Describe yourself in 3 words. Hi, Emma. How are you doing?
Hey, Alex. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. So, if you had to describe yourself in 3 words, what would they be?
That's an interesting question. Let me think for a moment. I would say I'm friendly, creative, and determined. How about you, Alex? How would you describe yourself?
Those are great words, Emma. As for me, I would describe myself as curious, reliable, and adventurous.
Curious, reliable, and adventurous. Those are wonderful qualities, Alex. Being curious shows a thirst for knowledge and understanding. Reliability is such an important trait in building trust and maintaining relationships. And being adventurous suggests a willingness to embrace new experiences.
Thank you, Emma. I believe these qualities have helped shape who I am today. Now, I'm curious to know more about you. Could you tell me a little more about why you chose friendly, creative, and determined?
Certainly. Being friendly is important to me because I enjoy building connections and making people feel comfortable around me. Creativity is something I value because it allows me to express myself and think outside the box. And determination helps me stay focused and achieve my goals, even when faced with challenges.
I appreciate your explanation, Emma. It's wonderful to see how your chosen words reflect your personality and values. Speaking of values, do you think these qualities have helped you in any specific situations?
Absolutely, Alex. Being friendly has helped me make new friends easily and foster positive relationships. Creativity has been beneficial in problem solving and finding unique solutions. And determination has pushed me to overcome obstacles and reach milestones I've set for myself.
That's impressive, Emma. It's great to see how these qualities have positively influenced your life. Now, let me ask you, how do you think my chosen words, curious, reliable, and adventurous, have shaped my experiences?
Well, Alex, being curious indicates a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to explore new ideas. I believe it has led you to discover various opportunities and expand your horizons. Being reliable suggests that others can count on you, making you a trustworthy and dependable person. And being adventurous implies that you're open to new experiences and willing to take calculated risks, which can lead to personal growth and exciting adventures.
Thank you. Emma, I appreciate your insights. It's interesting to reflect on our own qualities and how they impact our lives. By the way, do you think these 3 words define us completely? Or are there other qualities that also make up who we are?
That's an excellent question, Alex. While these 3 words provide a glimpse into our personalities, they don't define us completely. Each person is unique and complex, with a multitude of qualities and experiences. These words serve as a starting point, but there's always more to discover about ourselves and others.
I couldn't agree more, Emma. We are multidimensional beings with a range of characteristics and traits that make us who we are. It's fascinating to delve deeper into our own identities and understand others better.
Absolutely, Alex. It's through these conversations and reflections that we learn and grow both individually and as a society. Understanding ourselves and appreciating the diversity of others is essential.
Well said, Emma. It has been an insightful conversation. I appreciate your perspectives and openness.
Likewise, Alex, it's been a pleasure discussing this topic with you. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
You're welcome, Emma. Thank you for your thoughtful responses. Take care and have a wonderful day.
You too, Alex. Take care and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emma. What do you study? Hi, Sarah. How's it going?
Hey, Mark. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. So, I was wondering, what do you study?
Oh, I'm currently studying psychology. It's quite fascinating, actually. What about you?
That's interesting. Psychology must be really intriguing. As for me, I'm pursuing a degree in computer science. I've always had a passion for technology and programming.
Wow, computer science sounds challenging but rewarding. What specific areas of psychology are you focusing on?
Well, right now, I'm exploring cognitive psychology. It delves into how we process information, think, and remember things. It's really fascinating to understand how our mind works.
That sounds intriguing. Do you have any favorite topics within cognitive psychology?
Absolutely. One of my favorite topics is memory. It's amazing how our brains store and retrieve information. I find it fascinating to learn about the different types of memory and how they influence our daily lives.
That's really interesting. Memory is such a crucial aspect of our lives. Speaking of which, how do you find computer science? Is it as challenging as it seems?
It can be challenging at times, but it's also very rewarding. Computer science involves problem solving, logical thinking, and creativity. It's a field that's constantly evolving, which keeps it exciting.
I can imagine. It's impressive how much technology has advanced in recent years. Are there any particular areas within computer science that you find particularly interesting?
Yes, definitely. I'm particularly interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's amazing to see how computers can learn and make decisions on their own. I believe these fields have incredible potential for the future.
That's fascinating. Artificial intelligence and machine learning seem to be everywhere nowadays. I'm curious, how do you see the connection between psychology and computer science?
Good question. Psychology and computer science actually intersect in many ways. For example, human-computer interaction involves studying how people interact with technology. Understanding human behavior and cognition helps create user-friendly interfaces and systems.
That makes a lot of sense. It's great to see how different disciplines can come together to create innovative solutions. By the way, have you considered any future career paths in computer science?
Definitely. I'm considering a career in data science or AI research. These fields have a lot of potential, and I'd love to contribute to their development. How about you? What are your plans with your psychology degree?
Well, I'm considering pursuing a career in counseling or working in the field of mental health. I want to help people understand their thoughts, emotions, and behaviors better. Psychology provides a solid foundation for that.
That's wonderful. We need more compassionate individuals like you in the field of mental health. It's great to see how our respective fields can make a positive impact on society.
Thank you, Mark. I believe that when different fields come together, we can create a better world. It's been a fascinating conversation discussing our areas of study.
Absolutely. It's been a pleasure talking with you, Sarah. It's always refreshing to learn about different academic pursuits and the passion behind them.
Likewise, Mark. Let's continue to pursue our passions and make a difference in the world. Good luck with your studies.
Thank you, Sarah. Best luck to you too. Take care and keep in touch.
Take care, Mark. Bye.
Bye, Sarah. Tell me about yourself. Hi there. I don't believe we've met before. I'm David. What's your name?
Hi, David. Nice to meet you. I'm Emily. So, what would you like to know about me?
Well, Emily, I'd love to get to know you better. Why don't you start by telling me a bit about yourself?
Sure. I'm originally from a small town in the countryside. I moved to the city a few years ago to pursue my career. I work as a graphic designer for a marketing agency. I really enjoy using my creativity to bring ideas to life.
That's wonderful, Emily. Graphic design sounds like a fascinating field. What inspired you to pursue this career path?
Since I was young, I've always had a passion for art and design. I used to spend hours sketching and creating things. As I grew older, I realized I could turn my passion into a career. Graphic design allows me to combine my love for art with problem solving and communication.
That's impressive, Emily. It's great when you can turn your passion into a profession. So, besides work, do you have any hobbies or interests?
Absolutely. In my free time, I enjoy painting, reading, and exploring nature. Painting helps me unwind and express myself artistically. Reading opens up new worlds and broadens my perspective. And being in nature rejuvenates my soul and allows me to appreciate the beauty around us.
Those are fantastic hobbies, Emily. It's important to have outlets for creativity and relaxation. I also enjoy spending time outdoors. Nature has a way of rejuvenating our spirits.
I couldn't agree more, David. Nature has a calming effect and reminds us of the wonders of the world. Speaking of which, tell me a little about yourself. What can you share with me?
Of course, Emily. I'm originally from a bustling city. I work as a software engineer at a technology company. I've always been fascinated by computers and technology. so this career path seemed like a natural fit for me.
That's interesting, David. Technology is such a dynamic field. What specific areas of software engineering do you find most intriguing?
Well, I'm particularly interested in web development and creating user-friendly interfaces. I enjoy the challenge of building efficient and intuitive websites that cater to users' needs. It's a constantly evolving field, which keeps me on my toes.
That sounds fascinating, David. Creating user friendly interfaces is essential in today's digital age. It's amazing how technology has transformed our lives. Apart from work, do you have any other interests or hobbies?
Absolutely. When I'm not coding or working on software projects, I enjoy playing the guitar and exploring different genres of music. Playing an instrument helps me relax and express my emotions. I also like traveling and experiencing new cultures whenever I get the chance.
That's wonderful. David, music and travel are fantastic ways to explore and connect with the world. It's great that you have diverse interests that bring joy to your life.
Thank you, Emily. Having hobbies and interests outside of work keeps life balanced and fulfilling. It's important to make time for activities that bring us happiness and allow us to recharge.
I completely agree, David. Life is about finding that balance and pursuing our passions. It's been great getting to know more about you.
Likewise, Emily, it's been a pleasure learning about your journey and interests as well. I believe these conversations help us understand and appreciate each other better.
Absolutely, David. It's through these conversations that we build connections and learn from one another. Thank you for the wonderful chat.
Thank you too, Emily. It was a pleasure talking with you.
You too, David. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emily.